Hello everyone, welcome to the last lesson of the Introduction to the Product Management course part 2. Today I would like to talk about why is it important to build a portfolio and how it can help you to land a job as a product manager. Alright, so why is it important to have a portfolio? First of all, it demonstrates your experience and your skills. By building a portfolio, you can show the recruiters or the product managers what skills you have, what expertise and knowledge do you have, and how you use your knowledge and experience in terms of product management. The second part is you can stand out from the job applications. Imagine that a recruiter receives a lot of different applicants, and recruiter needs to choose the best candidates for the position. So if you can highlight your experience, or you can show why you would be the better fit comparing to the other, so that would be really helpful both for you and for recruiter. And the last thing, it highlights your problem solving abilities. So one of the most important thing in product management is the ability to solve the problem, to find a good solution that would be beneficial for customers and for the business. So if you can show this ability to solve the problem, to find a good solution and to make a good decision, that would be really helpful and would be really, really good for you, and also in terms of candidacy, right? So people might think that, okay, you're a really good person in terms of product management, you have really good analytical skills and so on. Okay, so how you can create a portfolio? There is like two ways of creating your portfolio. So you can either create your side project, your own project, or work on someone's project, or you can solve different case studies. What's the difference, right? So by side project, I mean something your own, right? Maybe your own product, your own idea, or I don't know, your own company. Or maybe you work on someone's idea, someone's project. Maybe you have a friend, or you have some colleague, or you, I don't know, met someone on the product management community and you decided to work together on some idea, and then you work on this side project. Basically, you try to build your own company, right? Like a startup, let's say. So what is important is that it's not necessary to have some successful side project, right? Successful company. I mean, of course, if it's, if you launch the product successfully, then yeah, congratulations, that's really nice. But what's the most important for your portfolio? Just to show your approach, the steps you take to launch the product, right? How do you analyze, let's say, market research, or how do you conduct user experience and stuff like that, like the metrics you choose to analyze, for example, the success and so on. Case studies is just basically what solution you would bring to some of the challenge. Let's say case studies, sometimes you can read that, say, Google case studies, right, or the Facebook case studies, and they show you the problem, the solution, and the outcomes. So you might do the same. You might take, for example, the Facebook's problem, and you can just write your own solution, right? What you would do in this situation? How would you approach? And maybe, you know, maybe you would do something different. Your idea would be better, or maybe your idea would be worse. So yeah, just to show your way of thinking, yeah, your analytical skills, and so on. So if you want to know more how to build your portfolio through case studies and side project, then I will see you on the next section that's called building a portfolio through case studies and side project. On the next section, I will explain a little bit more, in particular, how to build a portfolio through case studies, how to solve case studies, and how to write in correct way the case studies.